Jason.
Carol.
Sherry.
Take a Vacation and Drive Through North Carolina by Amanda Owen. North Carolina has a lot of history and sites that you can see if you drive across the state and take the time to do it. I'm breaking this down into three sections: the mountain region, the Piedmont region, and the coastal region. In each section, I'm going to highlight some of my favorite places to go, and then I'm going to break one of those down for you because there's just too many to do in one presentation. In the mountain region, you have the Biltmore House, the Blue Ridge Parkway, the Museum of Cherokee Indians, the Land of Waterfalls, and Fall in the Mountains. The Biltmore House is America's largest privately owned home. It sits on a beautiful 8,000 acres in Asheville, North Carolina, with 250 rooms, 35 bedrooms, 43 bathrooms, and 65 fireplaces. You can take tours, and in the spring you can see Biltmore in bloom, and in the winter you can see Christmas at Biltmore. In the Piedmont region, you have the North Carolina Zoo, the Museum of Natural Science in Raleigh, the NASCAR Hall of Fame in Charlotte, and one of the biggest college basketball rivalries in the NCAA. The North Carolina Zoo sits on 2,600 acres and is located in Asheboro, North Carolina. With 500 developed acres, it is the largest natural habitat zoo in the world. They have both a North American and an African section. The trail to walk around it is approximately 5.5 miles. In the coastal region, you have the Battleship, North Carolina, Fort Fisher, which was a fort used by the Confederates in the Civil War. There is the aquarium, the North Carolina Aquarium at Fort Fisher, the Wright Brothers National Memorial, and the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse. The Battleship, North Carolina is a World War II battleship that has been refurbished. It was opened in 1961 and is located in Wilmington, North Carolina. There are 9 different levels, and this serves as a memorial for the 11,000 North Carolina natives who died during the war. The battleship has a self-guided tour, so you get to walk through and look at everything. You can lay in the cots, you can hang out in the galley, and even play with the guns up front, even though they don't fire anymore. There is so much to see and do in the state of North Carolina, you can't fit it all into one presentation. So go out and explore our state.